Hey guys, it's Tokyo Rob here, and the last time we were adventuring in Banff National Park. It was an amazing sight to see. We got to see Lake Louise and a little bit of the town of Banff. I know the video was kind of amateurish, but you know, we're still getting there. We're going to get better and better. But yeah, we've kind of made a few improvements since then on the way we record, and I wanted to share this next adventure. So I am right now at Wabamun Lake Provincial Park, and the reason why we're out here is because yesterday I was able to make a deal that was pretty good, and I could not pass up on it. And so because of that, I wanted to try out something new that I got right away before it gets too cold out here in Edmonton, Canada. Alberta, basically, like way up north of Banff. And so, yeah, we're here today, and I've already parked at the campsite, and I figured I'd do a little bit of a walk around for the Forerunner and the thing that I got. So, yeah, I didn't bring anything fancy. Literally, I just found a good place to go camping. We did it for the night. Can't stay longer because I gotta do some work tomorrow up by the city. But yeah, let's show you around. As you can see, I'm out in the campsite. It's very beautiful out here, and I'm looking at my car and how amazing it looks. But yeah, we decided to do a little bit of adventure just for the night. Just hang out, be outside, and be somewhere different. So yeah, let me show you guys what I have. And there it is, guys. This is my 2024 Toyota 4Runner, the solar runner, with what I purchased, which is a rooftop tent. So let's do a little walk around. As you can see behind me, we have a rooftop tent, and it's pretty nice, I have to say. I've got it set up already. Yesterday I spent about 3 hours getting that sucker up on there and tying it up to our rack. It wasn't very easy, but we were able to do it, and yeah, here we are. Just wanted to try it out. That is the Forerunner with the Prinsu Pro rack and Go Fast camper tent, super light, and yeah, 80 pounds. Doesn't put any strain on the car, and no strain on the driving. I drove all the way here, driving about 70 miles an hour. Didn't even feel the tent, which is kind of scary because if something happens, I'm not gonna know what happened to it. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish getting set up here and then relax, have some snacks, and enjoy the rest of the day. The cool thing about this tent is that it is a Go Fast Campers first edition super light tent. They don't make them anymore, and that's why when I saw it, I had to get it. It's only 80 pounds. And it's very manual, no gas struts or anything, just manual struts, easy to fix if anything goes wrong, and and it's also very thin. It can be 4 to 7 inches depending on how much I flatten it. So yeah, as you can see, it is almost perfect. Launch edition. So the thing was, when they first made them and they launched them, the GFC logo was backwards. I don't know if you saw it, but this was backwards. And so the way they decided to fix it was they just added the almost perfect. see if I can show you. Oops. So these manual struts right here, when I open the tent, I have to lift it up and then get inside, and then just prop up the manual strut, and then do the same thing on this side. Pretty good, and it wasn't too bad. This is the view. Yeah, this is how the tent looks. Pretty nice, and yeah, got the little pockets here. You can do a flashlight, can turn on the lights. I wanted to turn on the lights to show you how it looks with the lights on. It's 23-0 lights, pretty cool. Just turn them off real quick. But yeah, this is the camp. And it's really comfortable. Fits 2 people very easily. This is the mattress that it came with. Pretty thick, as you can see. And I just want to show you something pretty cool that I have, that I've been doing. And I got lights in here, so you can see me. But yeah, I just want to show you this. It's so good. Like, how should I say this? So I brought the projector from back home, and you can see it right here. I have my Anchor Nebula Mars 3, and it has an internal battery, so I'm able to just bring it with me. I think it lasts about 3 hours, 2 hours or so. And yeah, I'm just watching TV on the top of my tent. So let me show you real quick. Let me see if I can switch the camera. And so yeah, here I am. I'm just watching some anime. This is an anime called MF Ghosts, and it's so good. Like, you don't need a TV, you don't need anything. Like, this works so perfect. So yeah, guys, just here relaxing, and I think next time I'm gonna have to bring some popcorn out here and just put on a good movie. So yeah, I'm just kind of wrapped in under my blankets, you can see. And yeah, this is my camping experience here in Edmonton. And anyway, see you guys later. Good morning, guys. Oh, what an awesome night. Very comfortable. Oh. This was nice.